Today I'll show you a secret way to double and even quadruple your photo's resolution in Photoshop using Camera Raw. So here is the original photo. If I zoom in, you can see it's very low resolution and pixelated. If we check the image size, you will see it's only 1200 pixels wide. That's pretty low. Let's try increasing it to 4000 pixels and hit OK. See, the result is still not that great. It's just a bigger blurry image. So let's undo that by pressing Command and Z. Instead, we are going to use Camera Raw, which gives you a much better result. But before we start, we need to fix one important setting. So go to the settings, then Camera Raw, and a new window will pop up. Click File Handling, then under AVIF, choose Automatically Open All Supported AVIFs and hit OK. Now go to Filter, Camera Raw Filter and open your photo. And then click Convert and Save. Choose a location. Select AVIF format. Hit Save. And then cancel Camera Raw. Next, open the newly saved file in Photoshop. It will open directly in Camera Raw. Go to the Details section, click on Superb Resolution, and boom, your image resolution just doubled. You can check the resolution here, and you can also adjust the sharpness right here if needed. Then export it again as AVIF and repeat the exact same process 4 to 5 times. Each time your photo becomes sharper and higher in resolution. I have done it 3 to 4 times and finally click on Open. So this is your new upscaled photo. You can check the resolution. It's way bigger than the before and also better than the before. You can check the before and after. Like this, you can see there is a big difference. And Camera Raw did a much better job than Photoshop's regular upscaling option. And that's it. This is one of the easiest way to turn your low resolution image into high quality ones without losing too much detail. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit the like button, leave a comment below if you tried this trick, and don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tricks.